2007,
2007.
people from a particular community, Pargis in Madhya Pradesh, were caught and they were jailed also. And post-poaching, we took a lot of drastic steps, in taking steps to boost up our preparation to prevent this instance. I told you, new vehicles came, four-wheel drives came,
Arms and
a new recruitment of staff because our staff was aging.
okay.
There were new recruitment post 1992 or 1995, new staff for recruitment, and we are fully prepared now. God forbids anything like this ever happens again, but we try our level best. And after that, there was not any instance of any organized poaching like it happened in 2007.
And well equipped with arms as well.
We're well equipped with arms and everything.
And
I'm telling you, if you what do you call, deal with what they're facing, they'll be happy. The sense of ownership the people in and around Gir, apart from the Maldharis, including the Maldharis also, is unparalleled in Indian country. Means they own it. I came across farmers who tell that if a land visits his field, he'll be much more happy because since no wild pig will come, wild boar will come, or even Nilgais, bluebells will come. And if they're there, it's natural. Fear is a very basic instinct. They are fearful, but they'll avoid going to the field for 1 or 2 days, or they'll try to make safe distance from that place. And because if there is a killing of domestic cattle bands, our system is that to fulfill or to make all paperwork necessary done within 40 days, and within 40th day of the receival of.
to get the compensation from the government, it is taking a lot of time.
No, I'm telling you, our is the best example. See, it's very genuine, it's very natural. If somebody's only cattle is killed, everybody will feel aggrieved. But our only thing is try to address this problem as soon. Because if you try to address the problem as soon as possible, what will happen is you reduce the discontent. Because delays, as the matter gets delayed, the amount of discontent is directly proportional. The amount of delay and the amount of discontent is directly proportional, it increases. So we try to sort out the whole compensation within 40 days. It is there in our full book resolution that try to finish the whole issue in 40 days. The moment a cattle got killed for the Maldharis inside, or for the revenue people, or the people living outskirts of the Gir, he'll report to the nearest beat guard, and a forester will come and do a site inspection, forwarding the RFO to ACF, and we'll try to finish the whole issue in 40 days. There will be different rates for the categories. For example, for an ox, it's not only 8,000 rupees, for a milch buffalo, it's 10,000 rupees, for a sheep, around 3,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, depending on the age.
Yeah, okay.
So, and because of this thing only, even we provide subsidy for erecting barbed wire fencing, because as you know, crop depredation is also a phenomenon, which I cannot deny. So we provide 50% subsidy for providing barbed wire fencing. As to one good thing that our department has done post-poaching is, in earlier also, but not in that scale, is erecting parapet walls.
Okay.
Since it happened, there was very rare cases where the land has fell or it has died. Because we categorize the area in 2 ways, category 1 and 2, depending on the distance from the sanctuary. So on priority 1 and 2, in the priority 1 area, we tried, we have finished most of the open wells. We provide around 8,000 rupees. Even private players have pitched in this work. Government has given money. Players like ONGC has given us money. They have sponsored these kind of activities. Reliance perhaps has also encouraged this kind of activities initially. Government is doing a lot. Even if the farmer is willing to do this on own, we pay them to the maximum limit of 8,000 rupees for erecting these parapet walls. So, and one more thing, it is the whole concept or the whole feeling of land is deeply entrenched in the psyche of the people here in Saurashtra, or perhaps in whole Gujarat. You see the symbol of land anywhere, everywhere, right? There, from the food boxes to the school bags to any department, name it, we all use land. Because the pride, the proud we take ourselves, because we are the only place where land exists. Talala is famous for his Kesar Keri. Kesari in Hindi means lands. So in all the food boxes you see, they'll put a photograph of land on the food boxes, and they'll export all these things anywhere. So the kind of ownership these people display for lands is unparalleled. And this is the only thing which saves land, apart from the department, the hard work done by the department, the involvement of local people. There is no negative feeling. I have never encountered a person who is aggrieved by the presence of lands in his area. Because no, the lands are there, wild boars won't be there, nilgais won't be there. And it is a fact that our story shows that about 45% of the diet of land is bluebells in outskirts area. It shows 45% diet of land is bluebill. Bluebill is no doubt, as you know, is a problem for the farmers. So I never encountered a person who felt very bad since lions are there. They all take pride. I heard a story that when the plan of shifting of lions from this place to some other part of the country, people were up in arms. We don't want to part way of the lions.
Are we getting fund like monetary benefits from WWF or any other associations?
Yes, NGOs like WWF and WCT have also donated us vehicles. They have donated us 4-wheel drives. They have donated us two-wheelers also, and they have donated also jackets. WTI has given us field kits. So yes, support is there.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you, apart from these sports, which is very important, the support we get from the government of Gujarat, the forest department of Gujarat, from the government of Gujarat is unparalleled. I'm doing my forest Indian forest training. I've been to different parts of the country doing our field visits. But the kind of infrastructure I saw in this place of the country, particularly in Gir, is unparalleled. The amount of support we have, we never have any financial crunches going out because we regular flow of money is there. Even for the people who own bikes, the field staff, they really get their bills settled within 7-8 days. And what more you need? If somebody is getting this bill settled in 7-8 days, 30 liters petrol assured. So that's why it incurs petroling. It's not like that we give him bike and then he has to wait for 6-7 months to get his bill cleared. It never happened. I don't believe it because the petroleum case was from overseas. I don't know whether the fund from overseas or not, but I won't say in case of Gir because whatever we have given, either we have taken, we never took cash. We always taken of kind, either for a vehicle or a motorcycle or field kits. Or even a private pet.
As I said, it's not about here. Generally,
it may happen, but I don't believe nothing of this sort ever came to my notice.
About the big cats,
Big cats, no. I don't know about tiger. I won't comment about tigers, but here I know is a unique thing, and we things get in kind also. WCT has donated to us, WWF has donated to us, WTI has donated to us. We all get in kind things because which is useful.
And the rail track which is going with
it is old rail tracks, I'm not wrong, about a year,
Still
100, perhaps one of the few meter gauge tracks left.
Yeah.
They
how frequent the trains are going like? How frequent?
Perhaps from this station it goes around 2 to 3 times a day.
3 times a day?
Perhaps 2 times. Perhaps
That's
2
really
times.
bad, no?
2 times a day, but it is a lifeline. It is not from this railway track is not a new thing. It has been perhaps, I'm not wrong, about 100-year-old perhaps.
Yeah.
Perhaps 100-year-old.
The incidents like in South India or like
it happens. It happens that there were incidents earlier that where a lion got killed on the railway track. After that, we all sat together and we regulated the speed. They will check on the speed of the track. The drivers were sensitized. Even the railway department was very forthcoming and they were very supportive of this. They also orders to the driver that should be very careful while driving through this. And it's a meter gauge, I know the speed won't be that high, but they'll only honk it.
Yeah.
And
not at night, no? The trains
not at night. Trains are not at night.
Yeah, so it's a great point.
Only day. Then they're not at night.
Because normally
No, it's there. The Veeraval route is a meter gauge and it happened long back. 10 back then the line got killed, but after that it never happened.